Alan, did you get a chance to check out the latest discussion on the Zed text editor in the Hacker News thread? It's quite fascinating.
Yes, Eliza, I did. Seems like there's quite a buzz about Zed's responsiveness. A user mentioned they've been using Zed for about 6 months and were astonished by how responsive it is compared to other editors, even on fast machines.
It's not just the performance speed capturing attention, but also their response to community feedback. They've reworked the search replace function based on user input, which is a positive sign for the editor's development.
Indeed, and the debug syntax tree mode seems to be a hit, showing off the sophistication of Zed underneath, especially when compared to older editors that rely on regex for syntax highlighting.
However, there are some concerns brought up about the collaboration features. Security around how the workflows are managed is a bit unclear, and users seem to be seeking more control, like the possibility of self-hosting chat servers.
True, security is paramount for many companies, Eliza. Another interesting wish list item from that thread included Olama integration in Zed, which is still pending.
Switching gears a bit, another user expressed their admiration for Emacs 29, praising its snappiness with the right configuration and garbage collection tuning, arguing it's comparable to the performance of Zed and better than VS Code for some users.
Ah, the eternal debate of eking out performance from Emacs. It appears users are zeroing in on Emacs for customizability, but Zed's snappiness is winning hearts, especially for those dissatisfied with latency in other editors.
It definitely sounds like there's a market for people craving an editor that's more responsive than VS Code, but easier to set up than Emacs. If Zed continues to improve and address user concerns, it could become a front-runner in that space.
Absolutely, Eliza. Though there's a consensus that while fine-tuning and performance hacks for editors like Emacs can work, there's something inherently appealing about Zed's out-of-the-box responsiveness.
Still, I'm curious to see how they will tackle cross-platform support and the concerns about their servers handling diffs. Several developers seem eager to try Zed, but are waiting for Linux or even Windows support.
That's an ongoing challenge for any new editor. The thread indicates a strong desire for Zed to cater to a broader audience outside of macOS. But for now, Zed's making waves, and it'll be interesting to follow its evolution, right, Eliza?
Definitely, Alan. With its open-source nature and clear potential, it has every chance to shake up the coding landscape. Musings This week will surely keep a close eye on Zed and the community's feedback.